Alright, so botak malalaki. Alright, so Sunday, hoping hindi pa lumabag yung bagyo. Alright, and then I have a crazy God story to share ko lang. Alright, so itong spot na to, yan, yung spot na yan, dito ako na-aksidente 2023. Alright, so ayan, may bakal na yung ankle ko. So bike accident na nasagi ako ng kotse. All good na naman. May forgiveness na sa nangyari. Alright, so wala pa yung mga stall na yan, dito ako na-aksidente. Alright, so crazy God story lang. Would think na after that injury, makabike, nakatakbo pa rin ulit ako. And then with God's grace, walang masigla pa rin. And honestly, back then, wala pa ako masyadong, I didn't have that relationship with the Lord that much yet. It was more of yung proudness sa lakas ng sarili ko, which I think what happened was hinumble ako, tinapik lang ni Lord. Alright, so let's not be too proud of ourselves. Yung whatever we have, whatever strength we have, whatever we can do, it's all because of the grace of Lord. Alright, so that's crazy God story number 1. Alright, another crazy God story number 2, diba? Supposedly may bagyo ngayon, Sunday, lalapag I think tonight or anytime soon. Alright, so when gusto kong tumakbo, dapat hanggang Boso-Boso lang. Ito, lumapag na ako dito sa Papalo Alto na ako. Tingnan, we'll see saan tayo lalapag, hanggang saan kaya. Para nilalambing ko lang si Lord na sabi ko, Lord, tatakbo ako ng Marilaki, sana hindi ako maging basang sisiw kasi gusto ko humina yung bagyo. Yung lambing ko kay Lord, kasi ayoko lumakas yung bagyo, and it's for everyone's safety. Sana hindi lumakas yung bagyo. And again, di ba, isa sa sabi ko, bold prayers honor God, and God honors bold prayers. So sige, nisal ko, alright Lord, tatakbo ako, please wag ako maging basang sisiw. And sana tuloy-tuloy na hindi lumakas yung ulan.